Drive Auto, and this is a car trunk organizer, and this is what it looks like. Now this is closed all the way, as you can see, so look how small and compact this is. Now let me show you what it looks like when you open it up. So there's these loops on either side, and then you slip it through on the toggle, and then it opens up. Now I'm going to show it to you halfway open so you can see the versatility of it, because you can have it half the size or full size. So this is half the size. Then you pull this down, and that's a cardboard panel that is for supportive, and it's also waterproof too. So there you go. Now this is half the size, and look how nice this is. There's two handles on each side, and you've got pockets too. Now let me show it to you all the way open. So you just go to those sides again, and you open this up on both sides. And then you put this down, and now this is full size open. Isn't this nice? Now this is great to take for picnics, for beach parties, or just to take your groceries from your car into the house, or other items too. So this is what it looks like. Now if you want, there's this flap that you could attach with snaps, or you don't have to, but then it makes another divider here. So it's a two compartments, but you can have another divider here as well. Then on this front side, there's two pockets as well. This is an open pocket, but then they have this Velcro here as well. And then this is a closed flap pocket, so you can put other items inside. Now these have two steel tie downs, which you can put this here, and you can put one there, and you can put one over here, and then tie it to the back of your car. If you have a truck, you can put this in your trunk. You can even put this in the front seat and then wrap it around the front seat so it's not going to go forward while you brake. And so as I mentioned, there's these two side handles, and then there's also these two large mesh pockets here on this side, so you can put like a magazine there or other items. And on this side you have four pockets, perfect for water bottles, tumblers, maybe road maps. You know, this is great for road trips. You can just have everything within your reach. You can have this in the back seat of your car, your front seat of your car. As I showed you a little bit ago, you can just have it halfway if you don't want this full size. So really versatile, great to use, and Drive Auto sent this to me to evaluate. I really love it. And if you notice, we've had these similar types before, but it was floppy. So this has reinforced panels throughout that it just stays upright, which is really important, because my last one, it was just really hard. You're putting all your stuff inside and the thing's flopping all the time. This way it just stays in place, and you can put all your items in here. Great to take to picnics, the beach, road trips, and this is by Drive Auto, so it's a really popular item, and it's great for both men and women, for adults as well as teenagers that are just getting, you know, starting to drive and getting a new car maybe, or new to them at least, right? And this is in black, gray and black. There's also in black, and there's also in tan too. One would make a great gift for somebody too that just got a car, or you know, you want to surprise your friend with one, or your spouse. This would be great to use. So multi compartments, great to take to the beach, and also for your groceries as well.